Yep. G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. Yeah, here again, fishing for some cod. Just had just in the first pool here at the moment. Literally been out 10 minutes or so. Had 2 follows already, but no hookups yet. So we'll see how we go. Oh, yep. No. Well, it's been an absolute mission. Thousands of casts, no fish caught, a couple of follows, and that's about it. Now, just got a bit of a storm brewing. It's not really raining yet. It's all a bit of a show at the moment. See how we go if it rains or not. Yeah, check back later. Bit of rain out here, guys. Had a hectic storm come through. Got the wet weather gear on just in time. Anyway, got a bit of a walk back to the cabin. She's windy. What do you reckon?
Up there, very good.
What do you reckon? Where's your jacket, mate?
That's alright, it's already wet.
Pissing! Absolutely pissing down. Tell you what though, she needed the rain out here. She's dry. Whee! And the river needs to be topped up a bit. It's the lowest I've ever seen it. Look at this road, it's like a bloody creek. Just talking to the camera. Tell you what, the storm is close. There's lightning everywhere. Nearly back though. Back to safety. Frothing. Phew. Yeah, 40, just over I think you said, just over 40. Oh.
That looks good too.
Oh. Yeah. Nearly stepped on that bloody red belly right there. He didn't even spook. Far out. He's not happy. Oh, bit of both, I reckon. Alright guys, you know what time it is. What we got here? It's called the Mega Bass. Sea Reach! Come on baby, get me a fish. Isn't recording. Little coddy on the suey. It's been a long time coming. And he's probably going to get off. He's only just pinned. Calm down, calm down. Let's just thumb him. Got him. Yeah, wow. He's real small. See you later, buddy. First fish of the day. Of the trip, I should say. You. Bit bigger. So all I had to do is change up the lure. Top water wasn't working. Went down to a diver. Behave, mate. There we go, bit of an upgrade from the last one. Only got the last one 5 minutes ago with that. Had a swipe just down there on a 60. But yeah, I mean, one hit wonders this trip so far. Whee. You frothing. Oh. Seems to be the theme of the day. You gotta either get a follower and a hit, and that's it. They're not coming back. Anyway, we'll keep trying. Yep, yep. You. Finally. Tell you what, it's been a long time between bites. Come on now, buddy. Well, it's been a long time between bites, but finally got one. Just out of that tree there, that stump. There had to be one there. Had to be. Anyway, thanks for giving me a bit of a boost, mate. And he sprayed me. You, frothing. Yep, yep. Yep. You. Just swap lures. Just swap lures for the bass attack. Got him, finally. Oh, I was talking to the camera. Yep. Yes. Oh, that was awesome. That was awesome. It's only small. Yeah. Smallest one I caught so far. You frothing. Yep. You. Not huge. A nice surface hit, that one. On the cod hopper. On the cod hopper. Oh, it's not huge, no. He's 60 though.
Yeah. That'll be the one that fucking.
Literally, yeah, just right in there. Yeah, cod hopper. Wee. Scary, eh? Yeah. It's funny how sometimes it takes like,
I know, you just got to consist, eh?
yeah, 4 or 5 casts.
They just frustrate them.
Ah, that's definitely my biggest one so far. Nice. On the cod hopper. First fish on that lure, actually. Get him back. See you later, buddy. You, frothing. Yep. Oh no. How can I not stick one on a frog? Oh. Got one fine. Oh. Oh no, I got him. Finally on the frog. I thought I lost him, eh? Finally one on the frog. Just a little tacker. See you, mate. Only a small one, that one. Finally got one on the frog. About 20 buss. First hook up. You frothing. Had another hit on the Suwitch. I think you might have felt the hooks.
Using to nick another hook up.
Yep, yep. Better one. Better on the sewage. It's only got one eye, this one too. It's only got one eye, this one. Look at him. Phew. On the sewage. Bit of a better fish too. Better than the last one anyway. Alright, let's get him back. Yep, yep. Oh, keep the high tip. Got another one on the sewage. Make sure it hasn't bricked me. Keep the tip high. There you go. We're in safe water now. Just a little tucker. Very similar to the last one. So this one's got two eyes. Just a smaller one. A little bit smaller than the last one. Anyway, another cod on the sewage. Silver sewage. Get him back. Phew, frothing. Yep, yep. And the suey. Ah, just the usual size. It's barely hooked. Yeah, another nice cod on the sewage. Ah, this hole's been pretty productive. Alright, let's get him back. Ew, frothing. Oh, yep, yep. I thought that was a weird hit. That was a really weird hit. This hole is producing the goods. Another cod on the sewage. Megabass, sponsor me. It's actually a bit better fish. Sewage. Oh, wow. Wow, the lure just fell out of its mouth. Literally just fell out. Yeah, what's that? Yeah, that's a better fish. Yeah. Alright, another cod on the sewage. Literally 5 minutes apart. If that. It's heading towards you, Steve. Lovely. Frothing. Ew. So I've just had a bit of rain and this terrain literally like ice. Real careful where you step. Gotta like wedge your feet into the cracks. But this is what it's all about. The adventure of the cod fisho. Yep. Got him. Oh, he's a good fish. He's a good fish. Yep, that's a real good fish. Oi. Wow, jeez, he's got some go. Yep, he's a good fish. Oh. Oh, mate. He's bloody got some go, alright. Oh, he's not happy. Oh, wow. $60 on the nose, right on the money. Yep, 60. That's a nice one. Beautiful fish. Beautiful. Nice top water hit. Alright, we'll get him back. He's off. Phew, frothing. Yep. It's a smaller one. Still a lovely cod though. Yep, nice mate. Bit of a smaller one. Still a nice little cod though. Getting back. You frothing. Come on. Force it twice. Here he is. Come on.